contribution to the people of Ikwerre Local Government. I thank you, Almighty God, even when we can't see you, but my heart is feeling you. I return all the glory to you. For it is on record that even if it is today, I have been once the chairman of Ikwerre Local Government. Thank you. Thank you. I also thank a very dynamic and God-given governor, a very peaceful man. I lack words to describe our governor. I have never seen a man that has so much power that the Constitution has bestowed on him. Yet he will say, my powers are not to humiliate my people. My powers are not to intimidate my people. And he continued to take abuses and insult. I pray God give me such strength. And I want to say, our governor, you are exceptional. Your Excellency has been ably represented. I have been praying for an opportunity. When I was the Chief of Staff of the Ikwerre Local Government, to the then and now Special Advisor on Protests in the Ikwerre Local Government. Ikwerre When I was with him, I have always advised in my little way that we have so much challenges. We will be called upon that there are challenges in what this and what that, through what thing. And when you beckon on the security agents or agencies in the Ikwerre Local Government, there are one or two complaints to be made that are genuine because proper attentions are not given. And I pray, as I was praying then, that if I have opportunity, even if it is one day, I will make a contribution to the security outfit in the Ikwerre Local Government. So that our people's life will be protected properly, so that investors can come to Ikwerre Local Government and invest, because no investor will go to where there is no peace. And that is why, Your Excellency, you will be unveiling. I have 6 divisions in the Ikwerre Local Government and DSS. You will be unveiling the operational vehicle to all of them. And Your Excellency, I was also touched by one generational 419 in Ikwerre Local Government, where from time to time, because you want to gather support, you will go and preach fake news to students of Ikwerre Local Government. And you will tell them you want to pay them bursary. Instead, you know you are not genuine, yet you will collect money, 3,000, 2,000 for forms and signing. And I said, if I have opportunity, I will give back to the students of Ikwerre Local Government. Your Excellency, whatever thing I say here is not what I will do. I'm telling you what I've done. As I speak to you today, it is on record that 3,000 Ikwerre students have collected their bursary from Ikwerre Local Government. Your Excellency, I am not telling you what I will do. I am telling you what I have done. Your Excellency, when I came on board, I saw the plight of my people. And I know that the hardship is too much. And I know that hunger is too much in the land. And I say, even if I have opportunity, even if it is 10,000 naira, I will give back to Ikwerre Local Government people. And that is why it's on record. As I speak to you today, over 1,200 Ikwerre sons and daughters have collected stipends, salaries from Ikwerre local government area.
Chiabo, chiabo, nawa chabole, chiabo, chiabo, nawa chabo.
Your Excellency, even those who don't like me know that I have the capacity to give back to the society. The truth of the matter is that I am not called Field Marshal for nothing. I am called Field Marshal because I know the root and crannies of Ikwerre local government. Your Excellency, when I came on board with my team, we saw a very beautiful project that was started by the past administration, as led by the Special Advisor on Protest. He started the building of government-recognized traditional council in Ikwerre local government. It's supposed to be very precise. And that project, after the linter level, was abandoned for 6 months before he left. Your Excellency, as I speak now, I and my team, we are on the tiling stage in that project. Your Excellency, when I came on board, don't forget that I was inaugurated on the 19th. And I'm almost running out the project of 6 years, man with confusion. Your Excellency, I and my team made a visitation to our traditional road that is linking Elele, Omawa Road. Those that are from Elele, Omawa know where I'm talking about now. Where we have the anti-cultism camp. Your Excellency, our mothers will come out there from their farm, they will fall. Our fathers will come out, they will fall. Even those that don't like us will come out, they will fall. Your Excellency, as I speak to you, I speak on good authority that I and my colleagues, with the help of the leadership of Ikwerre local government, have not only awarded that 1 kilometer road, I have also paid cash to the construction of that road. Your Excellency, you have seen the advert we are running, the jingle. We say we are going to empower 600 persons today. Your Excellency, my ideology about empowerment is not just to give it to one person. I feel instead of it to give to one person, give to more people.
Go round.
Because all of us are hungry. Not be so. Your Excellency, it is on that note that as we speak, before you talk, you will also see the signal and reaction of our people, because I've given instruction deliberately. I said they should hold on at around this time in the program here, when the rain of alert will start coming. Then the reaction of the people will begin to come. Your Excellency, it is on that note that we are dozing out. It may be a token, but for us it's a very big money. 100,000 naira for 600 people is 60 million naira. That is what our people will receive here. Your Excellency, let me also put it on record. I, Dr. Darlington Oji, is not working alone in Ikwerre local government. This empowerment program, the beneficiaries were nominated by all the leaders in Ikwerre local government without any exemption. And I stand to the challenge for any man or woman to say, I brought the people in your ward. It is you that brought them. And I have to say it so that nobody will say it's only Darlington Oji that is running the Ikwerre local government. You gonna make out? Your Excellency, we didn't stop at that. We said it is also proper to teach people how to fish and not only to give them fish. And that is why we have today me and my... Okay, before I go on that, Your Excellency, a community in my village here called Omoda Community invited me to celebrate me, and there they laid a complaint, or they made a request that government awarded or has given them approval for a school, and they want me to build, even if it's 2 blocks, for them to start. I made a promise, and you know our enemies will not let us rest. And I've been writing all sorts of things in the social media. But Omoda gave me a kweme, and on my cow. Your Excellency, the reason we didn't start on the Saturday I promised is because of documentation. And let it be on record that I say today that on Wednesday, engineers will be on the site. So that we prove them wrong. That the government of Fubara is not big. We are talking and... Your Excellency, we didn't stop at that. On Monday, by the special grace of God, and I use this opportunity to also advertise that we have a free medical outreach. We'll be giving out classes. We'll be carrying out surgery. We'll be doing so many things as long as you can come free of charge. Let me tell you what I have come to do in Ikwerre Local Government is to expose them that there is money in Ikwerre.
Darlington pepe demo, pepe